on her massive win on 2nd of May. Take a look at this exclusive interview post her win.
He has done the Didigiri in a remarkable manner in this election. The person of the day, Mamata Banerjee, first of all, many congratulations to you on this big day. I want an honest answer. Did you expect such a landslide? This is even bigger than 2016.
Yes, it is. My target was 2-1. My target was, because this is 21, symbolically. So I think these two seats, there will be election on 16, and one seat, the by-election will be there. So ultimately 2-1 will pass. And election commission, how they are behaving this time, horrible. And central government along with all the agencies, they work very vindictively against of us. I congratulate the people of West Bengal and the country people who are watching all this. How we fought the battle. Only we are the stick fighter. And that's why we were able to fight this battle. Nobody can fight this battle, I'm telling you. This is a victory of the people. And Bengal saved the country. I must say Bengal saved the country. And Bengal saved the disaster. The COVID disaster is going on. And because of the COVID disaster, we have already taken a decision that we are not doing any victory rally or anything, but let the COVID process is over. Then a good time we will do the victory rally, not now. And now our first priority to take care of COVID patients. And I will urge the central government to give free vaccine to everybody of this country. It is about 1,040 crores. So I think it will take hardly 30,000 crores rupees.
Well,
and central government can build up a statue with 5,000 rupees. They can purchase a flight, thousands of rupees. They can easily available, they can get 30,000 crores rupees. If they don't do for this countrymen, I will start this what we say the Ahimsa Andolans, means the non-cooperation movement. Not non-cooperation, that is Asahojogita. Ahimsa means the honest movement, sincere movement, for public movement, for justice for the people.
I'll come to you. So you're saying, I want to come to you though to the question people are asking. You're telling me 2-1 was your target. Where did the confidence come from? Because most people were saying very tight race. BJP was very aggressive in this campaign. Everyone was saying, that Mamata is on the Mamata Banerjee is on the back foot. Where did your confidence come from that you would get 2-1?
You will appreciate that I'm a street fighter. And I told from the beginning that we will do the double century mark, and BJP may not cross 70. And if election commission doesn't help them like this, just like a BJP party, so they should not cost even 50. That was the situation. In some cases, they have tampered the machine. Even I am getting complaint from my candidates that this postal ballot. They have spoiled cancelled so many postal ballots and so many things. Like Bihar, they started in Bengal also. So, but instead of all these odds, I am telling you, salute to the people of Bengal. They have the cards. They have fought not only for Bengal, they have fought for the country. And let my country safe. Let my country, I love my motherland. I love Bengal, and Bengal will show the way that my motherland can't survive.
You have won a big victory, but as of now, Election Commission seems to suggest you have lost in Nandigram. Earlier, it was said you were winning. First, we were told you are winning. Now, we are told you've lost.
It is not lost. It is recounting, we ask, because there are so many tampering things. And it is not from day one, we are saying that Election Commission deputed all their own men there. Because so that they can tamper everything. Even election day, you just go to the earlier photo or the statement, then you will see that I was there sitting about 3 hours, because I have seen that nobody was allowed to vote for. So it is not only today, it is totally a conspiracy, bigger conspiracy, along with the Election Commission and the administration. And that administration is also set up.
So you will go to the court?
No, first we are asking.
Will you go to the court, Didi? Will you go to the court?
We are asking recounting. We want VVPAT should be counted. We want postal ballot should be counted. We want everything should be counted from one. Because so many tempered, the machine they tempered like anything. You know, there are some system, this mafia gang, they can temper some machine. So this mafia gang operated there. So I want recounting from the beginning. Let the people see the things. Actual what happened.
So you have no regrets
But I don't mind
for
for that
contesting from
particular-
Nandigram. You could have taken a much safer.
But one
You
thing
could have
let me
taken a
tell you,
safer
that-
seat. You could have taken
No,
a
no.
much safer
No,
seat.
no, no.
Why did
I
you?
have-
No regrets.
No, that is not the matter. That is not the matter. Every seat is for me. And this 221 seat is also, it was my challenge. So it was every seat is my seat. That is not the problem. Problem is they work for the
Is this-
agro
Yes.
movement. And that's why I thought that I should have given them the salute. It is my salute, nothing else. And I am not worried for Nandigram because I know that there are, Nandigram is nothing to me. And Nandigram, at least I can tell you that I have taken a risk. But it is not risk. I have been victimized by the election commission. I have been victimized by the election commission
Kya-
and the local administration deputed by the election commission from A to Z.
Is this
But that I
your
don't
biggest
mind, because
victory?
there are so many
2011 you defeated. Would you call this, no, Didi, your biggest victory? You won in 2011, you won in 2016, now you won in 2021. Is this for you the biggest victory of your political career? Because you said everybody was against you in this election. It was Mamta versus all.
That is true. And that's why I think that 11, there was a political reason to change it and we have did seat adjustment with Congress. And 16 also we contested alone. That time also everybody was saying that Jyoti is coming. We said, no, it is not true. Even this time also, I said that it is the women voters, the others, they voted for us like anything. I am so grateful to them. And this is a 21 or new challenge. And this will give a challenge to central government for 24 election. This is a turning point.
Are you saying that you are now going to go beyond Bengal? Is this the start, or do you see, because there are those who say Mamta Banerjee is now the #1 leader of
No. I am not.
of Bengal.
No,
Are
I
you
am
going
not a
beyond
leader.
Bengal?
No, I am not leader. I am a worker, and I love to say I am not a very important person, but I am a less important person, and I am a common worker. I am a street fighter. So I will be with all of my opposition friends, all of my countrymen. Whatever they will ask, I will give my full cooperation.
You know, this has been a very bitter campaign. A lot of the language used, very strong words were used. Do you have any? Do you want to build bridges with the BJP, with Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, given the kind of campaign that was run? Do you believe it will be possible for you and the centre to work together, for example, in the fight against COVID?
Question doesn't arise politically. Number two, for COVID, we want everybody should work together to help the COVID persons, and they should give all the vaccination, and they should supply all the oxygen to the people, because I came to know that there are some states, they are sending it to only BJP state, but they are not sending the opposition state. This is not done. I think that COVID is my priority, and I have no quarrel with any Prime Minister or Home Minister. I have a respect to their chair, and I do respect them, but politically I cannot compromise.
दीदी ये बताइए, लेकिन ये सब जानना चाहते हैं, क्या ममता बनर्जी 2024 में एक तरह से नरेंद्र मोदी जी को टक्कर देना चाहती है या नहीं?
बंगाल का आदमी ने बता दिया कि हिंदुस्तान में अभी नरेंद्र मोदी जी से जाना है और नया कुछ आना है, कि अभी जो चल रहा है ठीक से नहीं चल रहा है. आज अगर कोविड हमारा देश में इतना नहीं होता, अगर ठीक टाइम में हम ठीक से काम करते, 6 महीना हम नेग्लेक्ट कर दिया और कितना आदमी का जान चला गया. आज देखो दिल्ली रो पड़ रहा है, आज मुंबई रो पड़ रहा है, आज बहुत सारे स्टेट रो पड़ रहा है. हमारा स्टेट में भी 5 लाख बाहर से आदमी लेकर और सीएपीएफ फोर्स 5 लाख से हम बंगाल में गांव में जाके पूरा कोविड स्प्रेड कर दिया. और लोगों को कोई आरटीपीसीआर नहीं होता है, लेकिन हमारा काउंटिंग एजेंट को आरटीपीसीआर करने पड़ता है. ये क्यों डिस्क्रिमिनेशन? ये तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने किया जानबूझ के.
आप लगता है इलेक्शन कमीशन के बहुत गुस्सा है आपका इलेक्शन कमीशन की तरफ?
हमारा गुस्सा नहीं है, हम चाहते हैं इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स. हमारा कोई गुस्सा नहीं है. आई रेस्पेक्ट द चेयर, इलेक्शन कमीशन, आई रेस्पेक्ट एवरी चेयर. But only my submission will be that we want, there is a need of the hour for the electoral reforms. And for that reason, we have to go to Supreme Court bench and we have to set up a constitution bench. We have to appeal the Supreme Court. Please set up a constitution bench so that 3 nominated persons, they cannot be dictated by the central government, whatever they want. And in Bengal also, you'll be surprised to know, to retired police officers, they have conducted the election and they change each and everybody. Even my DD
What
is
was
also
the
changed.
hardest
My
part
APC
of this
law and
fight?
order is also changed.
Right. What was the hardest part of this fight? You have fought a very long battle. What was the biggest? सबसे बड़ी चुनौती क्या? What was your biggest fight? What was the most difficult thing?
I addressed 51 days rally along with my leg choke, and I must tell my IT team and my young generation, they worked very hard, they worked very lovably, and the women voters, they gave me the inspiration totally. And also these 2 slogans, Khela Hobe and these 2, Joy Bangla, it gave me the inspiration for this battle.
ये महिला वोटर आपके साथ इतना लगाव है, हर चुनाव में महिला वोटर आपको वोट देती है, ये महिलाओं के साथ लगाव क्या है कि ममता बनर्जी को हर चुनाव में महिलाओं का बड़ा अच्छा वोट मिलता है?
तो महिला हमारा गौरव का है ना, जो घर में काम करता है वो बाहर में सबसे अच्छा काम कर सकता है, इसी के लिए महिला, we are proud of our women voters and they give us the vote. Even the new generation, the young generation, they all voted for us. Otherwise also to vote, get this 50% more than vote share is 50%.
Did you कभी आपको लगा कि अब इस बार तो did you ever lose hope? कभी आपने आशा छोड़ दी थी कि बहुत मुश्किल होगा, कैसे जीतेंगे, पूरी बीजेपी की फोर्स थी, कभी ऐसा कभी डर था?
मैंने कभी आशा नहीं छोड़ा था कि जब भी कोई मेरे को बात किया, I am from the grassroots level, you know, I can see the eyes of the people, I know the voting patterns and all this, so it was my totally absolute, I was confident that we will cross the double century. And this time we have got
कभी कोई अब आपकी yes, this time you've got back, you know, that's what I'm saying, you've got maximum seats, so will you make any changes in your style? Will you change the way you do your politics? Because there were allegations against your party, corruption, cut money.
I told you that I cannot change myself because I am a commoner and I am a street fighter. I want to continue that.
But Didi, not too many commoners have won 3 elections in a row. 3 elections is a huge achievement, each time with a bigger majority. So clearly you have got to connect with the people of Bengal, as you said. I just want to understand though, that for Mamata Banerjee in politics, you've had a very long struggle. Was it more difficult defeating the left or defeating Modi Shah?
No, left, they have some ideology, Congress, they have some ideology. But Modi Shah, this ideology, this syndicate ideology is something different. You know, they are too much. They are too much. You cannot trust them. They cannot do anything and everything. They can do anything and everything, even with smile face. That is the problem. And they can do the danga, they can do the polarization, they can do the finish the people, they can do anything and everything. I'm really, it's a sad affair for me to say anything about any particular person. I have a respect for the chair, so I respect the chair, and I have no blame for anyone.
पर आपको कोई डर नहीं लगता दीदी? आप ये पूरे कैंपेन में आपको कभी डर नहीं लगा कहीं ना कहीं कि मैं हार जाऊंगी? कोई डर नहीं था?
हम लड़ते हैं, हम मरते नहीं हैं। हम लड़ते हैं, हम डरते नहीं हैं। हमारा स्लोगन नहीं है कि हम करेंगे, हम लड़ेंगे, हम जिताएंगे, हम दिखाएंगे और बीजेपी को हटाएंगे। That we have done.
आप कैंपेन में व्हीलचेयर पे थी और आपको जब इंजरी हुई थी, आज इतने दिनों के बाद आप इतने दिनों के बाद आप चल रही है. Are you now back to work tomorrow morning, Mamata Banerjee? And when will you be sworn in?
No. मेरे को प्लास्टर काटा था before 5-6 days ago. So there I was totally rest. I was totally bed rest for my leg choke, and now I am wearing this anklet and all this, and very small. So it will take some time for.
Who has inspired दीदी? दीदी, who is your inspiration? कोई role model, inspiration इतनी जो आपको इस चुनाव में ताकत मिली है? Anybody else you see a street fighter like you जो आप
Bengal soil.
तो ये जॉय बांग्ला का जो स्लोगन आपका है, क्या वहीं से आपको शक्ति मिलती है?
हाँ? क्या सॉरी
जॉय बांग्ला का जो स्लोगन है,
जय बांग्ला,
you say जॉय बांग्ला, is that where you get your?
देखिए, जय बांग्ला मीन्स हम बांग्ला को ग्लोरीफाई कर रहे हैं.